Lido, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna do just a normal let's play. I'm just gonna decorate some things. I have some plans. I'm in a mood for a let's play, you know what I mean? So I have over here, right next to my entrance, I want to put right here, I want to put a bridge. And then I have a little idea for an area that I want to do right behind, and this area over here, all here, and I think it'll take up pretty much space. So I'm literally just gonna, I don't know, do I want to first, because I want to put a bridge in between here, I think I'm gonna remove this too, so yeah, I still have this area left right there. But anyways, I want to put a bridge. Okay, wait, that really weird. Right here, leading to that area behind, because my plan was to do a speed build today, with speed building this. But then I just felt oh no, I hate how that terraform looks. It looks so ugly. I hate that cliff. And I will just oh no, that looks so bad, and that looks weird, and I need to do this and that, and then I literally just started terraforming. So it kinda did not end up as it was supposed to, but you know, that's, everything is like that. It doesn't end up like it was supposed to. What about if I make the same on this side, kinda symmetrical? I have not incorporated any symmetry on my island. Because I'm literally so bad at it. It's special, symmetry with cliffs and waterscaping are the closest thing to impossible that you can get. But if I put a little pond here, it doesn't look that awkward, at least, because water and cliffs just ending, especially water when it just ends literally like that. It's you don't understand how much it unsatisfies me. I hate it so incredibly much. So I just can't live with having that on my island, especially as I walk here pretty often. Literally, what about this? I mean, it works since you can't really see it, but what about, oh, please, no. Ah! Please, just let me do what I want. Okay, something like that. We don't mind that, do we? No, okay. And what about continuing the cliff, over here? No. Okay, but I want to continue the cliff over here a little bit, make a little waterfall, make it look natural and cute. And then put right here some water floating up on the, yeah, I like the cliffs. And make the bridge be kind of an entrance, you know, to the little lavender farm. I don't know if I'm gonna make that in this video or another video, but I'm gonna make it at least. How do I want to make this? I think, what do we think about this shape? I think I like it. If I just round the corner, yeah. But anyway, cliffs or water that the corners aren't rounded on. is literally the worst thing ever. I hate it so much. And it's like clear pain. It's like true freaking pain. Wait. But I think like I'm literally just gonna build this and put on some music, add some voiceover, and like I'll check back in when I have terraformed all of this. So what I'm doing here is that I'm just literally adding some water, some waterfalls, and some cliffs, trying to make it round as possible. It didn't go great, and like, you know, trying to make the water like round off the corners with literally no space. And I added some cliffs so I could like round it off better. It took me like really long. It was really hard, to be honest. And yeah. Here, I literally struggled so bad with making it look even and natural and not like completely like 3 rounded off edges in a row, but still like everything round and soft and natural, you know. I don't know, I'm really bad at terraforming and waterscaping, but I think it's really fun, honestly, but really hard. I'm really bad at it. This, like, I can't round off this corner, and it annoys me so much because, like, wait, I want to put the waterfall right there, but and it's like so uneven, and no, and like this, I can't round off this corner because then all of this like land will completely fall off. And like, why can't it just be easy? I hate waterscaping and terraforming so much. It's like impossible. I can't make this look good. It's like get something to drink, okay? That is drink. It's good. Okay, I feel like I'm pretty finished with this, honestly. Like, what do we think about this? I know that the waterfalls doesn't, like, follow to anything. And I know how ugly the waterscaping is, like over here. Please, I don't want to look at it. I'm gonna fix it at some point, I promise. But like I did think I just want to put like a bridge right here. Yeah. I don't know which one though. Maybe like the, wait, I don't remember which one do we even have at the entrance. I think it's like the brick. No, it's this one. Okay, yeah, this one. I like that one. It's like really pretty with like this poles and like how it's like really natural, you know? I like the color and it's like everything. Maybe I think I'm gonna try the brick one since you can just undo everything. And also I really don't have balls to pay it off. Oops. But I'm gonna grab like a bridge kit and I'll see you soon. Give me that the bridge thing. Why can't you just read my mind and be like, oh yeah, here you go, a bridge construction thing. Like, why are you not like that? It would be so good. Like, suspicion restore. It's like really expensive. No. Ugh. Like, I don't know. I mean, I do like the other one too, like the suspension one, but I don't know, like, and this one is kind of cute, but it's like 30k. I can pay 30k extra for this one because I don't know, I just really like that one. It's like, this one could be cute too, though. Like, I don't know. This one is really expensive, so it's like, I will never have enough for that. But as little, not this one. It's not worth it. It's super ugly. It's literally just flat and like, ugh. This one is pretty, but I'm like, I want to have some different ones. And stone, I mean, it's okay, but it doesn't really fit. And I don't like how it's like also flat, but still like round. You know what I mean? Same with this one. It's like, this one is so pretty. I love it. And this one is also so pretty. I love it. I don't know. Like this bridge. Okay, let's just do the brick one. I can always change my mind. Yes, please. Okay, let's place it out. See how it looks, please. If I can't place a bridge, no! I worked so hard on this. No. I hate this. Wait. Let me check here. I need one on each side. Like, why? Why? I hate this game so much. Like, I've been working on this. I'm like loving the symmetry. I'm being incredibly proud of myself. And then it's like, you can't place a bridge here, my good sir, because like we are really rude. I'm never gonna forget anything because I was like, okay, it looks really pretty. It's like really pretty. And then it's like, okay, you think it's pretty? Yeah, no, that won't work out. I can't. I will have to move this tree. This tree. I can say the word tree. Yeah, I know. That's where I have an A in English, you know. I can say the word tree. Yeah, I know. I'm so good at everything. Yes. Okay. Awesome. I can say the word tree. Okay. Yes. Good. Okay, but like this. What do we think? I think I like this, to be honest. Like, I like the other. Like, why I can't speak today? I'm sorry. I'm really tired of this week. But I'm okay. Yes, but let's try how it looks now, since I'm gonna imagine it. I think. Let me imagine it. Let's see how it looks. I mean, it looks pretty cool, I think. Wait, I need to just fix the waterfalls because it really annoys me. I also have this path over here. I want to continue. Like, let's do that now. I'm just gonna do that. No. Like, this is going really, really, really bad. Please, Joy-Con. Hello? Hello? Okay, there we go. And also, one other thing that I've been thinking about, like the last couple of days is, or like for a while now, honestly, is how is my island actually fairy core? And it's like, I mean, you can see, in my opinion, that okay, yeah, this is a fairy core island, or like a fairy island at least. But it's not necessarily super fairy core, if you know what I mean. And even think about, I don't know, should I redo this? It doesn't seem like that fairy core, but okay. And I'm just being like, maybe I should redo it. I don't like it. It's like, it's supposed to be fairy core, you know what I mean? But I've come to the point when I don't care that much. Like, I have realized that the important thing with my island is that I like it. Like, I am happy with it. I'm having fun. That is the most important thing with playing. The reason that I started playing Animal Crossing, and the reason that I still play after a really long time, because I am having fun. I like this. I'm happy. And that is more important than my island being the theme that I thought about when I started it. Like, I'm not wrong. So I've come to the point when it's like, yeah, my island isn't the most fairy core island that ever has been built, but I am happy with it. Like, I'm having so much fun, and I think it looks really good. Like, oh, that sounds really weird. But like, I like how it looks. And I think that also I'm doing a fairy core island because I think that is pretty. I like the colors, but I still don't think that everyone has to do like, okay, I'm doing a fairy core, I'm doing a cottage core, farm core. I don't know. Like, you don't need a theme for island. Just do whatever like you think looks pretty, and like whatever you want to, whatever you feel motivated to, whatever you feel inspired to, because like that is basically what I've been doing. I just feel like when I watched YouTube, seeing people make fairy core builds, and I've just been like, oh my god, this is so pretty, I love it, I want to make this too. And then I made it, but I still don't think it's like, I don't know. Bells and bells. Like, that is a problem. Okay, now, please, as much as possible. There we go. We're gonna pay this off. Donate! Woohoo! Like, now we have this whole bridge finished. I am really happy with it, honestly. But I'm gonna... How long have we... 34 minutes. Like, that is literally not that much. I am... Hello, Isabel. What do we have for us today? Like, she doesn't announce that you have built a bridge. No news. Good luck. It's okay, Isabel. We love you. I hope you have good luck forever. You're the best. I love you. I love you. No, we can decorate like the cliffs on top there. I'm just gonna go grab some items to use, and we'll decorate the little cliffs. because, you know, that's always fun. Okay, I feel like I have enough stuff for this now. I'm stuck here. Okay, no, it's fine, it's fine. I have grabbed some stuff, trying to make it symmetrical. Both like up on the cliffs and just right here. Wait, I have a plan, no, okay, I forgot I'm not in the, like, the terraforming app. No, I need one more piece of country fencing. I'm literally just gonna craft that right now. Okay, there we go. I think I'm gonna change out this custom design. It's like me drinking soda. Be like, I promise. I know how to drink stuff. I have drank stuff before. I promise. My brain forgets how to drink sometimes. You know, but like, you know when that happens, you know, when, like, you're gonna do something and it's like your brain totally forgets. How do you do that again? No, we don't do, no, that, no. I'm gonna embarrass you in front of literally everyone. And then you're embarrassed in front of literally everyone. Like, you know what I mean. Okay, but anyways, we have this. Like, I have these mush lamps, but also since it's a mush lamp right there, it's kind of weird to put another one. Maybe. Okay, yes. I think I like that. Or maybe, I don't know. Yeah, I think I like that, honestly. And I've done something wrong. It's not like symmetrical. I have to change the cliffs. Like, why? This should be illegal. Like, it should be illegal for cliffs to not be symmetrical. Like, it's not okay. I hate this. So it's like 2 steps down, 1 step down, 2 steps down, 1 step down. Okay. No. 2 steps down, 1 steps down. Okay, I get it. I can fix this. I think I fixed it now, but I don't really care. It's okay. There we go. Our little mush lamp, and I'm gonna check how it looks now. It's 7 minutes after 7. I don't know clock. Oh yeah, I forgot the little flower and the little thing. Wait, oh no, I forgot. It's like, oh yeah. No, it works. I think it looks like that. It should be symmetrical now. Yeah, it is. Okay, let's take a look at it. What do we think about this? Like, I like this, I think, but it still looks like really empty, but I don't know what to put, you know? It's like hard to put stuff on like this small areas. But I have little shrubs here that will growing. No, I can't put it. I was thinking like if I could put some vines, but I can't. So it's like the flowers. I'm super happy with the symmetry, honestly, because I have been so bad at it. Like, and I like how this looks because it's like pretty simple, but it's still pretty cool. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. And I also hope to see you in my next video. And I hate outro so much. I'm like so bad at it. But anyways, I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching. More videos every Tuesday at 3 p.m. Central Europe time, CET. Make sure to check then for some new content like speed builds, villager hunts, let's plays, just like stuff, Happy Home Paradise videos. I really hope to see you in I messed up. I really hope to see you in the future. I really hope to see you in the future in my future videos, and I'll see you there. Bye.